Okay, so we're going to look at the tune We Will Rock You by Queen today, and we're going to do three patterns that work really well playing along to the music of this track. So you need your We Will Rock You drum pattern sheet in front of you, and first of all we're looking at number one. So number one is two basses for the rhythm of coffee, so two quavers, and then snare for one, which is a crotchet or a T. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so just practice that till you're happy with the bass drums being nice and even, and the snare following it, and it's a little bit longer, the snare note. Then you go to the next one. Okay, so just practice that one first, and when you're ready for the next one, which is number two, we can start with that. So number two, you're doing exactly the same as number one, but we're adding in the right hand, which is now going to go down to the floor tom. So the left hand is going to have to now do your snare. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's all about making sure the bass and the floor tom happen at exactly the same time for the two, and then the snare follows it straight away for that one. So again, a bit of practice on that one, and then when you're ready to go on to the next level, we can add number three. Now number three, we've got three things going on at once here. We've got bass as before, floor tom on the next space up, then we've got on the line high tom above it. So you'll need to move your left hand over for that, and we're going to do all of those three together for two quavers. So it goes, so a really heavy sound there, and then we're going to come back with the snare. Now for an extra challenge, you can do the snare with both sticks. So you do something called a flam, like that. So it needs to go, if you're right-handed, left-right. If you're left-handed, right-left. So let's try that number three with the extra flam as well, if you like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there we go. Now we'll try some of those along to the track. So I'll start with number one. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now number two. Now number three. Okay, there we go. So that's a really good thing to practice. Keep going around 1, 2 and 3. And then in the next video we'll look at 4, 5 and 6, which use some cymbals.